Welcome to Legal Kaizen. Safety, integrity, and compliance are good business. As a global manufacturer, you deserve a world-class product safety and integrity program. Today we're doing a 2-minute overview of the 5 main steps involved in setting up such a program. Tone at the top is the sum total of what management thinks, says, and does. In a word, it's your culture. Scope is about who and what are included in the program. Not clearly defining scope guarantees failure. Documenting status quo means recording what you do, in a consistent, systematic format, typically using some type of flowchart. Planning and implementation is about documenting the desired state, as compared to the status quo. Audit is about confirming what works, and what doesn't. It's about making the good better. Kaizen is not about solving a particular problem as much as it is about cultivating a mindset of continuous improvement. Let's recap. The first step is to find an executive sponsor, and set the right tone at the top. The key here is developing a culture where employees are not just empowered, but encouraged to speak the truth. The aim is a culture where speaking out is natural and expected.
Schrie. Der Kaiser hat ja gar keine Kleider an. Und schon war der Bann gebrochen.
Scope is about what is excluded. If you try to do everything, you won't do anything well. This is not to say that product integrity cannot be global and company-wide, but it is critical to start somewhere. Status quo is just a fancy Latin for as it is. The key is to document in a consistent format what you do. Employees might not call it a process, but in our experience, just about everything that a company does repeatedly is a process, whatever it is called. Another key element is talking first to the people who do the work. If management speaks first, lower-level employees are afraid to contradict. Think of the plan like a blueprint. You wouldn't build a house without a drawing. The same applies to a company-wide initiative. Finally, audit to close the loop, and take the long view. This is about culture. Working through all 5 steps can take 4 to 6 years. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you next time when we take a closer look at the first step, tone at the top.